Our assembly all about kindness. This week in school, we have been learning all about kindness. We began learning
We are the kind ones. We have been sent to planet Earth. We are here at DCIS to measure your true kindness.
Kindness? That's so easy. We're all kind at Dover Court.
Really show us.
Let's look at some Dover students. Okay, kids, now it's your turn. Do you know how to do this?
No, can you help me?
See, like this and this.
Oh, I get it. You're the best.
Can you help me? Sorry, I'm behind and I need to catch up.
See, that kid was helping another kid. So kind.
Error. The child only helped their friend. Kindness would be helping both children.
Okay, let's try another one.
I can't wait to play football.
Yeah, let's pick teams.
Can we join in?
Sorry, no room. You can always join next time.
It's not fair.
You always say that to us.
Error.
Well, they're not being unkind.
Error.
They said they could play next time.
Error.
Oh, okay. Let's look elsewhere in the playground.
You'll always be my friend. Thank you for inviting me to your birthday.
You're so kind.
Who is she?
I don't know.
Error.
Nobody's being unkind here, though.
Error. The children are being nice to their own friends. Some children are being left out. This makes them sad. True kindness means including everyone.
Okay, let's look elsewhere.
How lovely, dear. Did you do it by yourself?
Yes, I spent all lunchtime on it.
Come on, Auntie.
See, that kid was being totally lovely to them. So kind.
Error.
Geez, this is so hard. I thought we were already so nice at Dover Court.
Error. The child was kind to only one woman. Kindness would be showing concern to both people.
Kindness is more complicated than being nice to people you know well, and like our research indicates that even unkind people can do that.
Take a look at these horrible people. Even they show kindness to their friends.
So, what do we need to do?
Kindness means showing empathy to everyone.
Empathy? What is that?
Breaking news, year 5 don't know what empathy is.
We're informed of this just a few minutes ago. Nila. Thanks, Kai. We send out our reporters to find out more.
Thanks, Nila. I'm here with Manny and Adam, empathy experts, outstanding in their field. Hello, guys.
Hello.
And as you can see, we are standing out in the field. Yes. Anyway, what is empathy?
Empathy is to understand and care about how other people are feeling.
Oh, right. That's what empathy is.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
What?
I don't get it.
So, let's say I was walking along and then, ow!
Oh, I hate that. I can imagine exactly how you're feeling.
That's it. That's empathy. You can imagine just how he feels.
Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others.
Kindness means showing empathy to everyone.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the problems rough ahead and the miles and miles from midnight won't bear, you just remember what you almost said. Boy, you've got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You've got troubles, I got too. There isn't anything I wouldn't for you. We stick together and we see it through. 'Cause you've got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too. But none of them will ever love you the way I do. Yeah, and as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's not destiny, 'cause you've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me.
In our PSHCE lessons, we've been learning about the importance of empathy.
And showing kindness to everyone, not just your friends and family.
Year 5 would like to sing you a song about kindness and understanding how other people feel.
To demonstrate kindness and empathy, we are going to use sign language as well as singing to communicate our message. Please feel free to sign and sing with us.
You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people Congratulations, DCIS. We are proud of your kindness mission. We will keep observing you from our kindness comes around school.
We won't let you down.
Thank you for listening to us on the area number.
In a world that you can be anything,
Be kind!